Here I'm discussing about that how to set up your Facebook campaign. If you go to the facebook.com, this is called going to your profile. But your ad creation purpose, we can go option call is facebook.com/manage. Facebook.com is your for commenting, create the page and groups. But facebook.com/manage for create the ad purpose. So yeah, just click facebook.com/manage. Now here, this is called ad dashboard. My account name, ID, status active, how much my spending budget, and remaining budget, my total spending budget. Here will be 15,350 spending budget here. Here will be 15,347 my spending budget. Is adding my total budget. Remaining budget how much? 0. I can add the budget. Here give option call is add money. If your first time user register, they can see for add money. So here just click option here. Where will go? Billing or else. When you click the all tools, they can show the all options here. Audience Insight, Creative Hub, these all. If you go to the payment mode, option call is billing. So it's going to billing mode here. Now check. These are our total spending budget. They give you each and every report here. In this one, go to payment setting. Now, this is a prepaid service, not for the postpaid. Nothing but when you add the amount, the campaign will be start. Now click the add money. Now see here, credit card, debit card, net banking, Paytm wallet, and Facebook ad coupons. That is called your Facebook free coupons. So here I'm going to the Paytm wallet. Click for continue. I'm adding the payment using for Paytm. So I'm adding with how much? 500. Review the payment. Make the payment. So I'm adding the balance here. They're going to react to the Paytm wallet. Yes, done. Continue. Pop up. Now I can add here request. They're sending the OTP. Click for login. Now click for pay now. Done. Payment. Click for OK. Previous my amount is 0. Yes or no? Just refresh. Done. How much time taken for the amount? Fraction of seconds. So you can add the Paytm. Paytm will be added by your Facebook here. Is it clear? This is called add your payment mode. Next will be called if you give access to a number of persons. That is called ad account. That is called you can see your ads. Some other persons will be like this. These are the persons. How to check? I go to another profile. It's going to Rakesh Kandukuri and any profiles. You can access my ads. Now here, if you give access here, add people, just I'm searching for any person. Just click for that. Admin, advertiser, analyst. Analyst nothing but they see your peoples, nothing doing. Advertiser, they can create your ads. Admin, they can gain the all roles. So click for advertiser, click for confirm. Then this is called add your ads profile access. I'll show how will be access will be given here. See here, when you give access on your profile, it will show like this. See this one. This is called my Rakesh Kandukuri profile. This is a Rakesh CEO. Why? I'm give already access from here itself. Just click here. This is done. So they're visible by here too. So I can create campaign by here also. So now, just click here. I can start my campaign. Other profile person, you create your own campaign. Why? Your profile give already access. Once login, n number of profile campaign we can create. So we don't share your login details and password for create a campaign. Just give the access. So we have created a campaign. You see your boss. How to give access? Add on the profile ad account. See this one. Clear? Same. Now come to here. Add. Ad manager. Both are same here. You open your dashboard. It's called ad manager. See this. What is the first one? WC traffic. Now I go to the Mozilla open here. What is the first one? Anything different? Both are same. Why? Because once give access to your profile, they can access from you only for your ads. Now here, I'm not interested. Deactivate. This deactivated here. Where? In Mozilla. Where is my account will be? Rakesh Kandukuri. Now just come to here. Just here. Refresh. This is called Rakesh CEO. Icon will be changed. Now just so here important call is your access given to the profiles. That will be page. Here will be profile only for ad campaign purpose. It's deactivated. Clear? This is for your access your profiles. And next one, create a ads. Now just your option is called create a ads. Three is important in our ad campaign. One is called payment mode, access role. Third will be create a campaign version. Now click the create campaign version. Please write down. There are three categories. One is called awareness. Awareness. First option. Second will be consideration. Third will be conversion. Awareness, consideration, and conversion. Right now, first heading awareness. First will be brand awareness. Second will be reach. Reach nothing but write down bracket. Website reach and post reach. Website reach and post reach. Second one, consideration. Traffic, website traffic, the bracket. Engagement. Engagement will be three types. Post engagement, page likes, event engagement. Post engagement, page likes, event engagement. After that, app installs. Look the screen and write is very important. Engagement is a 3. Post, page likes and event engagement. After that, app installs. Now here, video views. Write down video views in the bracket. Video views will be 2 seconds to 15 seconds eligible for all ads. 2 seconds to 15 seconds. More than 15 seconds is not eligible. 2 seconds to 15 seconds. They can eligible for all ads. Instagram, Facebook. This ad will be automatically in the, you can show by Instagram also. They will be connected with your Instagram account. Next will be lead generation. Last will be messages. If anybody coming to your page, automatic message will be delivered. The user. This call, hi, how can I help you? These all messages. Or they can reply your messages. Next will be conversion. First will be conversion will be write down. Website lead conversions. Second will be category wise sales. The third one only for user for e-commerce portal only. E-commerce and website conversion purpose. And store visit. And store visit. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Today will be discussed about 13 here. Another 2 will be there, that is called boost post website traffic. Write down another 2. Boost post website traffic. Total we discuss about the 15 modules. 30 will display by your ad manager. 2 will be there show by your page. Is it clear? Today we discuss about how many? 15 modules.